In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pauses in 11labs quick tutorial. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can get natural pacing in your AI voiceovers right away. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type 11labs and look for the official site in the results. Click through to the home page so you're in the right place to work with their tools. Once you're on the site, navigate to the text-to-speech area. You'll usually find it in the main navigation or the app dashboard. This is where you'll type your script and control how the voice reads it, including where it should pause. Inside the text-to-speech page, you'll see a prompt box where you enter your text. To add pauses, use the break time method with SSML. 11labs supports SSML tags directly in the prompt, so you can tell the voice exactly how long to pause. Type your script normally, and wherever you want to pause, insert a break tag like, for a short breath, or for a more noticeable pause. For example, welcome to our tutorial. Today we'll learn how to add natural pauses. Keep your tags between words or sentences, not inside a word, and keep punctuation consistent for the most natural flow. A few timing tips help a lot. Use 300 to 500 milliseconds for comma-like pauses, 700 to 900 milliseconds for sentence transitions, and around 1 to 1.5 seconds for dramatic emphasis or section breaks. You can also write milliseconds if you want fine-grained control, like 1000 milliseconds against equals 1 second. Avoid stacking too many long pauses, which can make the narration feel choppy, and aim for consistency across similar moments so your pacing feels deliberate. When your prompt looks good, click Generate Speech. Listen closely to the preview and pay attention to how the pauses feel with the voice you've chosen. If a pause is too short, increase the time a little. If it feels sluggish, dial it back. Small adjustments of 100 to 200 milliseconds can make a big difference. Regenerate and review until it sounds natural and matches your intended rhythm. That's all there is to it. Open 11labs, go to text-to-speech, write your script, and use the break time method to place pauses exactly where you want them. With a few quick tweaks and test plays, you'll have clean, human-like pacing in every read. Thanks for watching, and enjoy crafting smoother voiceovers with precise, professional pauses.